everyone, I'm Miss Darlene.
And I'm Miss Veronica.
And today we're going to have fun with math.
And today we're going to have fun with math with addition. And our number is 36. So we want you to get pencil and paper and write down a combination of numbers that equal out to 36. So, Miss Darlene, I would say for an example, does 11 plus 4 equals 10? Is that 36?
Let's see, do we have to add it up?
No, I don't think that's right. Let me try another number. 20 plus 6 plus 10.
I think that's correct, Miss Veronica. So that equals 36. So you're going to have to find out how many different combinations you can make to get the number 36. And that's what we're doing today, having fun with math.